Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. So today is a different video. We are doing a makeover for my headboard. Yeah, so it was brown before, now I'm changing it to navy blue. So what we're gonna do first is to cut this foam here. This you can get it at any material shop. It's quite cheap, it's not expensive at all. I think I think this is 1.5 meter, 450 rand if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I would cut it same length, a bit longer than the headboard obviously, and then I will cut my material longer than the foam because we need to hide this foam here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly put it around and then put some pins just to check how I'm going to put it, and then after that I will come with my stapler gun. So the stapler gun that I was using, it was quite small. Yeah, the staplers were not going deep inside. So later on in the video there will be someone who will come and help me with the professional stapler. Yeah, just to make it tight, and for a long run everything must just always be tucked in and looking neat.
I try my best to keep my mind occupied so that I can focus on anything but you, 'cause all I want is to get some shut-eye.
Pulling it, making it tight so that it looks nice and neat. While I was pulling, my sewing partner on the other side was just holding so that it doesn't fully come all of it this side, and then end up not having enough material on the other side to stapler. Yeah guys, and this is an easy job. You just have to buy the foam and the material, no design already. Like, it's so simple, it's perfect for beginners. What I can give you an advice is, if you do not have a headboard like I have, you can use a piece of wood and make your own headboard. How easy is that? And you save a lot of money. Yeah guys, so I hope you'll get to be inspired by this video and make it yourself at home. Yeah, so the only difficult part with this covering of my headboard was the corners. The corners are the tricky ones, but I mean, you can do it also. You just need to get the right angle of this material, how you can turn it and tuck it in just to make it smooth, and it must look neat. Like, at the end of the day, as much as it's a DIY, make it look like you bought it in the shop. That's what I'm trying to make here, and the end result will be looking good.
Try to figure out who I am.
Okay guys, I was finished. As you can see, we just tucking putting stapler on the top part now. And the other tricky part was the downside, because I would have loved to take it out the legs, but I didn't have proper tools. And the truth is, I was just lazy to wait for my husband to come and take it out for me. So I said, you know what, I'll cover with it. But I didn't think about the difficult part at the end there, where you see where I'm doing right now. I had to, yeah, yeah, it was tricky doing the around the legs, but I did it, and I made some mistake there, but it wasn't a huge mistake. I had to put a strip of cloth just to close the part where I kind of like cut more. So I close it, but it wasn't it actually, it was not even a mistake. It's just that I like my things looking perfect. Yeah, so I was done, guys, for that day. And then this was the following week where my dear helper here came to help me, and we did it with this big stapler.
You're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me.
Now we're just trying to make it more tighter.
But don't succeed.
The staplers are just coming just like that, so easily. Yeah, so that's why I was waiting for him to come. Now today, on this day, we're just gonna cover with this black cloth here. My husband bought a stretchy material. That's not his fault though. The guy in the material shop, he told him he must buy this material. It was such a tricky job doing this, so I would advise you not to use a stretch material.
Thought they would. And before you there was no.
There's no really need for you to close it like how I'm closing it back. It's just me being me. I like my things looking perfect, even if it's only for my eyes. I still need them looking perfect. This just makes me happy.
I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. No, I can't get enough of what you do. Enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place.
So guys, the things that you will need doing this job, you'll need a stapler gun. You don't need this one, what he's using.
To go on.
As long as your stapler gun can go deep enough in whatever you're using, you need that. You need a scissor, you need your material, your foam. You can use a sponge also. So because this was a stretch material, it was not easy working with. Yeah, so we made a mistake here, but you know what, I was able to fix it. Just created a small pleat, and yeah, so but it was looking neat at the end. I love the outcome. The feeling of you get after you finish something that you've done it yourself, something that you could have gone out and spend money on that. So I'm happy with how my headboard is looking. Like seriously, even now when I look it, like I'm very happy, especially that I love the color, because I was looking for something simple, and I love it, love it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you on my next upload. I hope this video was helpful for you. Bye bye.
And it